The launch took place at 1:47 am Saturday local time from Vandenberg Air Force Base after being delayed several times since its initial planned launch more than a week ago. An hour after its launch, the satellite's power source was operating properly and would undergo 3 months of checks on its instruments before becoming fully operational, NASA says. The satellite will improve the accuracy and timeliness of National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration weather prediction models and 3 to 7 day forecasts, officials with NOAA and the National Weather Service say. The prediction models and advanced forecasts are key to issuing warnings ahead of major hurricanes like Harvey, Irma and Maria, which struck the U.S. this year. NOAA teamed up with NASA for the launch from Vandenberg Air Force Base in California. The satellite, part of the Joint Polar Satellite System, will be named NOAA-20 once in orbit about 800 kilometers from Earth, officials said at a pre-launch briefing in Washington. Once operational, it will circle the Earth pole to pole about 14 times every day, observing a wide swathe with each pass, so we see every corner of the planet about twice per day, said Mitch Goldberg, NOAA Chief Program Scientist for the JPSS. Weather forecasters consider polar satellites the backbone of the global observing system, which includes stationary satellites that are much farther from Earth. Polar satellites are the primary way to obtain the global temperature and moisture measurements that feed our weather forecast models, Joe Piker of the National Weather Service said. The satellite takes U.S. forecasting capabilities to the next level, Piker said, giving forecasters around the world better information to help decision makers save lives and protect property in major weather events. Officials touted the satellite's instruments, which have been successfully demonstrated on a predecessor prototype that is still active, the Xiaomi NPP satellite. One in particular is called the Visible Infrared Imager, Imaging Radiometer Suite, which in addition to weather forecasting provides environmental assessments, information on sea surface temperatures and ice breaking in the Arctic. It also tracks floods, droughts and fires and monitors volcanic eruptions. All the data collected by the satellites are free and shared with other weather